This video will demonstrate how easy and secure it is to process credit card and ACH transactions in Evolution when you are interfacing with 360 Payments. Once your account is established with 360 Payments, ABS Support will set up the necessary interface credentials. To process a payment, select AR from the bottom blue main menu and Payment Entry from the top white submenu. From the doctor's grid on the left, select the account. Then enter the amount of the payment. From the Payment Type field, select the appropriate payment type from the drop-down list. At this point, you'll notice the Authorize button becomes active. Select that button. If you already set up credit card or ACH numbers for this account, you will get a list of those. Notice you only see the last 4 digits of the number. Highlight the row for the card or the ACH number you wish to use and then click on Select. If the transaction is accepted and authorized by 360 Payments, you will receive a successful confirmation message and the payment will be posted. At this point, the payment can be applied to outstanding invoices. An additional feature that is very useful is the ability to process transactions in a batch. For example, you may have accounts that agree to pay off their prior month balance on the 1st of the month or the 5th of the month using a designated credit card or ACH number previously added to your 360 Payment vault. Once correctly set up, these payments can be processed in a batch on the appropriate day very quickly. In this video, I have already set up several accounts to be processed in a batch named 360 Payments. When you want to process the transactions, select CC Management from the bottom blue main menu and CC Batch Process from the top white submenu. Select New Batch. From the New Batch form, select the appropriate batch type from the process code drop-down list. Then select the pay code, and then select the accounting period end date you want to pay off. Then select Go. When prompted, select Yes to generate the transaction list. The transaction list will display the accounts selected to be processed for payments. It includes the amount that will be submitted for each account and the last 4 digits of the card number. Once you have reviewed the transactions and determined they are correct, close the form. Then select the Payments button. At this point, the system will interface with 360 Payments and submit the transactions to your 360 Payments vault. All authorized transactions will automatically generate a payment in Evolution for each account and will apply the payment to the invoices used to calculate the amount submitted. As you can see, this is a very quick and efficient way to process payments. For payment reporting, Evolution offers a few different options. There are receipts and reports that can be printed by selecting Reports from the bottom blue main menu and View Reports from the top white submenu. From here you can select and then preview and print reports. Also from here, you can email on demand certain reports. If your system is set up for automatic email processing, when a credit card or ACH transaction is successfully processed, the system will automatically email a receipt to the account.